Assessing adoption suitability is an important step when considering transitioning from a guardianship to an adoption in California. Here are some key factors to consider in evaluating your suitability for adoption. The primary consideration in adoption is the child's best interest. You're going to want to evaluate whether adoption would provide the child with a stable, nurturing, and permanent home environment that promotes their well-being and meets their physical, emotional, and developmental needs. You'll want to assess your commitment and readiness to assume full legal and parental responsibility for the child throughout their life. Adoption is a lifelong commitment, and you should be prepared for the challenges and responsibilities that come with it. Consider the nature of your relationship with the child as their current guardian. Assess the emotional bond and the connection that you guys have developed with each other, as well as the attachment to you as a potential adoptive parent. Determine whether the biological parents are willing to voluntarily terminate their parental rights to allow for adoption. If they are supportive of the adoption plan, it can significantly facilitate the process. However, in some cases, the court may terminate the parental rights involuntarily if it is determined to be in the child's best interests. You'll want to evaluate the stability of the child's current placement and the likelihood of it continuing in the long term. Stability and continuity are important factors in assessing the suitability of an adoption, as it provides the child with a sense of security and permanency. Consider the availability of a strong support system, including family, friends, and community resources that can assist you in raising the child. Adequate support can contribute to your ability to meet the child's needs and provide a nurturing environment. Evaluate your financial stability and ability to support the child's needs. Adoption can involve various expenses, including legal fees, home study costs, and ongoing expenses related to the child's education, health care, and general well-being. Assess whether you can provide the child with an environment that respects and embraces their cultural and religious background. It is important to create an inclusive and supportive environment that promotes the child's cultural identity and heritage. I always recommend a person considering converting their guardianship to an adoption to consult with an adoption attorney to receive personalized guidance and support in assessing your suitability for adoption. An adoption lawyer can help you navigate the specific requirements and processes involved in transitioning from a guardianship to an adoption in California. If you are interested in hiring an adoption lawyer, we ask that you contact our office today. We can be reached at 818-714-2200. Or if you're on the phone, you can scan the QR code right here to be taken directly to our website.